Okay, part 11, it's still August 5th, 2022. Budgies, we're rolling in birdseed currency notes here. I printed 6 so far, 6 proofs of the El Banco BOIDIO 9,000 BOIDIOS banknotes. So we've got we've got 54,000 BOIDIOS hanging up over here. Wow, 54,000. I'm sorry to interrupt your nap, Mademoiselle, Monsieur Blanche de Boyd. Blanche de Boyd, by the way, changed genders some months ago. She was a girl when I first bought her last October, and then she turned into a boy months later. Prince Sipala on the left, Your Royal Highness, good to see you. Berkey Working Museum Chief Curator Chi on the right here. And on the left, Prime Minister Mazel Yeramovich. Okay, good to see everybody. Good show, good show. All right, and thank you all for posing for the BOIDIO banknote currency notes. Good show.